Hi guys, so I bought some more junk from eBay, of course, and this time it is a vacuum cleaner, USB vacuum cleaner, and I show you that it works. Of course, it's a very cheap toy. It's even a toy. It works, but it comes with two sockets to yeah, I don't know what it's called. In Dutch we call this, if you can call it even, een stofzuigerslang, and it's literally translated is a dustsuckersnake, but that's probably not the correct English word for this. I found out that they actually put some heat shrink sleeve on this, so I heated it, of course, and came up with this shrunken version. But it's junk, of course. I don't need this. I like this one better with the brush on top and 3 holes. Yeah, so let's see. For $1.25 you get this. Wipe it. Very nice. But it's absolute junk. It feels so cheap. It was, of course, very cheap. So let's take it to bits and let's see what's inside. Of course, that does not fit. Where did I put my other tiny screwdriver? No, that's not the correct one, of course. Here it is. Tiny screw. Remove this. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, there's, of course. It's a little bit dusty because I tried it before. And now this should come off. No, there's one more screw over there. Oh, right. So there's this generic motor. White LED, tiny switch, two very thin wires, and this blade thing on this very tiny motor. So let's put it on again. Yeah, this, it turns very, very fast, very violent, and I expected the LED to glow a bit when the motor shuts off, because I expected this motor to act as a generator too, but that seems not to be happening. Maybe there's some diode in there, although I cannot see it. But yeah, that's it. That's this Chinese vacuum cleaner, USB desktop vacuum cleaner. I'll put the link in the description on eBay. First I got it from eBay, and it says, like all the eBay listings, it says computer vacuum, mini USB, keyboard, PC, cleaner, laptop, brush, dust cleaning kit, KY. It's sold by the Toyota Up. I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, to see for yourself if you want to buy this piece of junk or not.